Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today is another exciting Halloween look. It's almost Halloween, and I really wanted to bring you one more look, and this one was kind of inspired by my purple hair. I thought, who has purple hair that I can do a last minute quick easy Halloween tutorial on? Leela from Futurama. So this is the look right here with my ponytail, my white tank top, my cyclops eye, and I'm really excited how it turned out. I did watch a video and was inspired by a video. I will link it down below, and if you're interested in seeing what I was inspired by, definitely go check them out. It's a really cool video. They did a few different techniques and a few different things than I did. They did the mouth a lot bigger, things like that. So if you want to see a different way to do this look, definitely go check them out. And without further babbling, let's get into this easy last minute Halloween look. First, we're gonna start with priming the face. I'm just using a primer that I feel acts like a barrier. When I put paint on my skin, I kind of want to provide a barrier. Next, I'm taking foundation and just putting that on the bottom half of my face and my forehead. Okay, that ended up being most of my face except for my eye area, but it's fine. It's fine. Next, I'm taking a black eyeliner and drawing the outline of the eye just slightly above my eyebrows, curving down and around. And that is the outline of your eye. Then I'm going to take care of my brows with the NYX Milk Pencil. Just really cover my brows in that. I tried the whole glue stick thing, it didn't work out, so we're just going with this to get my brows to not exist. I'm going to take a white body paint and just fill in this whole area with white. And then I am going to just take my sponge and clean up the edges. Take a liner brush and some black body paint and go over the outline. And then take that liner brush and draw some eyelashes. Then I'm gonna take a blending brush and a brownish gray, like shadowy shade, and just go underneath the edge and kind of give just a little bit of shadow and depth. Then take that black liner and draw a little eye in the center. And take that black body paint and just fill that in. Now we are going to do Leela's lips. And first I'm going to start with a hot pink lip liner. And I'm going to slightly overdraw. Well, more than slightly. And then fill in. Then take a pink lipstick and layer it over top. And then take that black eyeliner pencil and outline the lips. And then take a white shadow and layer it on top of the white paints because it's just looking a little sheer and not how I want it to look. So if I layer a shadow over it, maybe it'll have more of the look that I'm going for. Yeah, that looks nicer. And then take your bangs if you're not using a wig, or if you are using a wig but you haven't cut bangs, your long section of hair, and put that around. And that is the Leela look. And that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my Leela inspired look. I love Futurama and it was so much fun to do this. Again, I will link down below the video that I was inspired by, and I hope you all have a happy Halloween. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!